Hi everybody, I'm Jorge from Pleexy, and in today's video we are gonna be covering something that a lot of you have asked us about, and it's how to keep your projects between Notion and Todoist synced and how to create tasks both ways. So if you are interested in this, please stay with us because that's what we're gonna be covering. Cool, let's jump straight to it. Cool. So here we are in Pleexy's homepage. And before we go through the demo, I'm going to show you what I have. I have created this empty Todoist account. This is a demo account, but I created this Notion project because this is where I want to create my projects that are going to be syncing from Notion, right? Then I have also created this database in Notion. This is a projects and tasks. This is a Notion template, and you're going to see why I'm using a Notion template in a few minutes. Then, yeah, let's jump straight to it. So I'm going to log in with Todoist, obviously, because this connection is between Notion and Todoist. And I'm going to create my Notion connection, and I'm going to get this screen, right? Which is telling us that we can filter tasks by Notion projects, the projects and tasks template. Why is this? This is because Pleexy, and now I'm showing you the Notion for Developers web. Pleexy only has access to what Notion provides in the API. And as you can see here, the public API does not currently support linked databases, which means that Pleexy doesn't have access to linked databases. So we can only work with what Notion gives us. And what Notion gives us is these projects and tasks. The way you get this is you go to templates, and here you go to, you can search projects and tasks. Look, this one is free. You just go create it and you will get this one here, right? So now that we understood this part, we know that we're going to use this to sync our projects with Todoist, right? So I am going to go ahead and give Pleexy permission to read. If I had other connections, I don't know, for example, in Pleexy tutorials or whatever, then I would need to leave both checked because this is a global setup for your account, right? So if you have other databases with other connections working, leave those marks checked, please, or else Pleexy will lose access and then your connection is going to show an error in the end and it's going to stop working, and we don't want that. So around here, I'm going to name this Notion demo, because I already did some tests before making this video. I already synced this database, so this is going to be very quick, but normally this could take a bit more time. Just, for the sake of this exercise, I'm going to make this, pretty quick. Right now it's showing that it's syncing 0 pages because we have done this so that the default is to only sync tasks that are assigned to me. If I choose assign to anyone, it's going to sync 17, which is a bit too much. So what I'm going to do is, well, first of all, I'm going to say that the status for completed tasks is done. And then I'm going to sync tasks, only the ones that are in progress, right? So the way this is going to work is that we have our Notion projects and tasks, and whenever I click that one is in progress, it's going to sync with Pleexy. And then when I click complete, so if I completed it in Todoist, for example, it's going to change the status to done. So we have a lot of other resources on how all of these steps or sections work. So I'm just going to go very quick through this because this is not what this video is about, right? But here I'm going to take a moment and I'm going to change from, instead of one project, I'm going to say multiple projects, right? So now what this is saying is, okay, we're going to sync project to project, basically. Every project that you have in Notion, it's going to be created as a project in Todoist. And again, I created this project just to create these ones inside. So this is what we're doing. Then this one, I'm going to go quick. And this is the other step that I wanted to show you. And we're going to turn this one on. So now, if we see here, we can tell that we're syncing, well, we have the no project by default in Notion, and then we have website redesign, product launch, marketing campaign, and research study. And this means that in Notion, it's going to create the same ones, right? And then when you create tasks in those projects, they're going to be created back. And here, I'm going to leave this as a safeguard in Todoist because I don't want all my tasks from Todoist to sync. I just want the ones that I add the label. And I could add, for example, this, and then all the tasks that have the Pleexy test label are going to be synced, right? And that's basically it. So I'm going to go ahead and save. And so because of the way connections between APIs work, this might take a bit of time. So I'm going to go and leave this. Okay, no, there you go. It already worked. Perfect. So I'm going to show you that here in projects and tasks, I have one in marketing campaign in progress, one in product launch in progress, and two in research study in progress. And if you see, it created one in product launch, which is monitor launch performance with the template that I gave it, right? Monitor launch performance. Then, marketing campaign, report marketing ROI, and then, research study, interpret findings, and conduct interviews. Here you have them. So, but why did website redesign didn't sync any? Because we don't have any task here in progress. So now one of these is going to sync to my Todoist. And then in my Todoist, I'm going to go ahead and here in marketing campaign, I'm going to create a task called test task that won't sync. I'm just going to create it like this. And I know that this is not going to sync because I haven't added the label safeguard that I created before. So this task will sync, right? Because I'm going to add the Pleexy test label, right? And this is a new label. So that's how it is. So I can also go and complete this task, right? And here in research study, I'm going to go ahead and say that interpret findings is done. Right? And why did I did all of this together? Because as I was telling you before, the way the APIs work, it sometimes takes a few minutes for tasks to go back and forth, right? So I'm going to stop the video here. I'm going to go get some water and I'll be back in a couple of minutes and then I'll continue. All right. So see you in a couple of minutes or no. Bye. All right, everybody. So we are back and there's quite a few things to check, right? Because I did a lot of changes. And the beauty of Pleexy is that here in the history, you can see all the changes that have taken place. So when we stopped the video before, we left it here where what we were just showing was that tasks and the projects were created, right? So now if we check the history, we would see that from Todoist to Notion, the test task will sync was created, right? And also the Notion report on marketing ROI was completed. So if we just remember what just happened, I completed this task in Todoist and it completes itself in Notion. And now we're going to check the changes that happened from Notion to Todoist. So first, the website redesign was created and the Notion test website functionality was created. So this website redesign is a project and this is a task. And if we come here, we will see that the website redesign project was created and test website functionality was created. Cool. Perfect. Then if we go up, we will see that Notion test task will sync was updated. And what this means is that what Pleexy did is we created the task in Notion and we said, we created the task in Todoist and Pleexy went and created it in Notion. But then as it created it, it also took a step back and said, okay, the tasks that are syncing from Notion to Todoist should have a certain format that we defined in the template. So it goes out and applies this template and it syncs it back to Todoist. So if we go to Todoist, you would see that it added the Notion test task, the Notion and the dash, and then it added the links to open as well, right? So this now became a Pleexy task, a Pleexy sync task, some sort of way, instead of just a task in your Todoist. And then the last thing that I wanted to show you is that, interpret findings was completed. This is the task that we moved to done in Notion. It completed in Todoist. So if we come back to, I think it was product launch, it won't show up there, right? Or was it? No, it was research study. But anyways, you can see here that research study, there's only one now because the other one was completed. And yes, I think this is what I wanted to show to you today. I hope this is useful. And please remember that if you have your account at Pleexy, you can always reach out to us via our in-app chat, and our support team, who are amazing people, will answer to you in about a day. That's how long it would take to answer your questions. So if you have comments, feedback, questions, please contact us. We're very happy to get your feedback because that's what helps us keep improving Pleexy. And have a great day. Use this and let us know. Thank you. Bye bye.